मैडम अभी आजकल थोड़ा मैं बैक जाऊं कि साल 2 साल 3 साल पहले हम जो बात करते थे तो एक्सचेंज रेट और इंटरेस्ट रेट की वजह से इंडस्ट्री बहुत प्रॉब्लम में थी और कंज्यूमर के बिहेवियर भी आप लोगों ने KFC भी हैं और आप भी उस वक्त आपकी कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बहुत ऊपर थी, एक्सचेंज रेट भी ख़राब थे, तो उसका इम्पैक्ट। और अब जब 1.5 साल से करेंसी स्टेबल है तो क्या, और इन्फ्लेशन भी कंट्रोल में है, तो क्या कंज्यूमर का बिहेवियर टू फॉर द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू डील इन एंड ही डील्स इन कोई फ़र्क पड़ा है?
Thank you so much for having me here on this panel, and thank you for your question. What I would really like to say is that interest rate bilkul kam hua hai, which is a great, very good initiative. But इंडस्ट्री को हेल्प करने के लिए सिर्फ एक इंटरेस्ट रेट कम होने से it hasn't created the kind of impact that we would like to see, because there is a 3 to 4 pronged attack that you might need to, or medicine like people say, to revive an industry which is literally, and I don't want to be negative, but it's on a ventilator, because what does an industry want to survive? An industry needs good interest rates, correct, getting better. We need really realistic taxation. We need law and order. We need infrastructure. Okay, and the most pertaining thing that we are not looking at right now is the huge brain drain. So Pakistan is facing the biggest brain drain that we've had. You do not actually, and there are so many CEOs sitting in this room, we really do not get the kind of HR resource that we require to run our companies. So to start with, जब interest rate बहुत high था, तो and dollar stable नहीं था, तो आपको एक industry लगाने के लिए मशीनें चाहिए थी. Amazing. Interest rates are better, your bank loans are better. But you know what the taxation is? To get a machine into the country, your tax is 38%. To run it in a year and maintain it, to get spare parts, your taxation is 52% on spare parts of that same machine. Right? Now you've bought the machine, you've got it in. Now, you just spoke about electricity, sir, but right now if you see what the industry pays for electricity, it's crazy, it's unbelievable. It's not, it cannot run on it, but we all do, because we are Pakistani and we survive and we run and we do whatever we need to do, but we continue. A lot of people have packed up. So in that scenario, when we say that we need industry to grow, we really truly need to understand why do we have this big brain drain, because somebody is going to run those machines. Your working class is so heavily taxed that by the time they get their salary in their hand, they're saying this is not enough. And back again, it's a burden on the company. So we are now calculating his take home. We are not giving a salary package. We are saying, okay, this we'll absorb also. So he's looking at his take home. So how is an industry going to survive? Just on interest rate coming down? No, we really need to look at a lot more things. My factory is in Sakhar. I have just driven down 8 hours. Also, it took me 10 because National Highway was blocked by GSN. Amazing. Okay. What is the real distance between Karachi and Sakhar? It's 370 miles or 50 miles. Why does it take us 8 hours? Because between two major cities of Sindh, you don't have a road. You only have a highway up to Hyderabad. Doesn't go beyond. So how is industry going to come over there? Because your port area is Karachi. So जो पंजाब से भी आ रहा है, जो वो halfway तो motorway करते हैं, end में तो वो रोड़ी और सक्खर से ही आएंगे. Their last leg to get to the port is that. So, in all honesty, we really need to review the industry situation. I mean, I would, and I've always been here, and I must thank Ijaz Bhai, and anybody who's heard me speak before has heard me speak very positively, and I'm still very positive and still very hopeful and still adding machine and still increasing capacity, etc., etc. But the point is that all of this expense, direct or indirect, is going down to the consumer. So the rates of commodities are not going to be coming down. And अगर हम agriculture को दें और कहें sugar, तो मैं एक sugar buyer हूँ, तो मैं rice के बारे में बात नहीं करूँगी और दूसरी चीज़ों के. But sugar December में close होती है 138. January में 158 crushing हो रही है. और अभी फरवरी का एंड नहीं हुआ सर, रमज़ान आ रहा है 170, 177 की भी आवाज़ें हैं. बट हमारी लास्ट बुकिंग 170 है, तो मैं 170 कहूँगी. सो इफ दिस इज़ द रेट ऑफ इंक्रीज, our product price will have to go up and then back again. So it's a direct or indirect inflation which will hit the common man. So this is my take on it right now, sir.
बिल्कुल सही है.